Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We have another view of a rooftop deck, and you're looking at the sleepering of this, and this is how we get the slope. So the base subfloor, which all had to be replaced, had a lot of rot in it, and we had a lot of rot in the framing of the house where the original deck was tied into it. And what's happened now is we've had to re-subfloor it, and we create the slope by putting in sleepers, and this is a 1/4 inch per foot slope all the way to the front edge. So in this deck, it's a very big deck, quite a project to get all the sleepers in, get all the slope. And what we do is when we put the railing in, the railing will be plumb and level, so your eye will see a level deck. And what we did is to create a transition from this deck to this side catwalk deck, ended up creating a ramp to come down here. So this will make a very nice transition in here to go ahead and create a transition onto the side deck. And we've got slope built in with our sleepers on this side deck here. So if you come over here and you look at all of this, what you're going to end up with is a deck that is well detailed out, great slope and details on here, and then all this will be waterproof with our DuraDeck, and the glass railing systems will be on. Okay, so this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, and we'll keep you posted as we kind of go through this project. Thanks very much.